Merry Christmas 2013. Lizzie is 9. Katie is 6. Let's see what Santa brought. What do you think?
Look at all that stuff. Look at all of it.
There's stockings. Alright, girls, I think we're ready for you. Come on down.
Don't be shy.
Abigail!
Did he leave a note or anything?
Oh, I can't see.
You can't see.
He left a letter.
What's it say?
Katie and Lizzie. It's in cursive, I think. Maybe.
You want me to read it? Katie and Lizzie, thank you for the cookies and the milk. They were delicious. It was a close call this year. Please be nicer to each other this year and keep your rooms clean. Ho, 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 what a mess. Have a Merry Christmas, Santa.
Oh, he got a trampoline! Yeah. Trampoline! That might be a Jeep. A dream catcher.
You think it's a trampoline? You think it's a dream catcher?
Huh?
Yankton, what do you think it is?
Oh, good morning, kitty.
Like, I want to come down here too. For my daddy.
Okay, so I guess we'll start opening.
Yes.
All right, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Say